Hello nerds, arts, geeks, memes, and freaks alike, it is RandomDragon.EXE here, and welcome back to another SMG4 reaction. And this time, it is for Mario's train trip. I almost read it as team for some reason. Ugh, my eyes, I need glasses. Anyways, let's just get on to it. I just put the volume here. And let's get on this. Hopefully you guys are able to hear that. I hope you guys... Put this computer a little bit closer. Sounds good. God, for 3 hours? Then don't eat the spaghetti. Okay. My family. Oh my god. Mario, you're so fat. Is that Eggman? Grandma. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait, now they're both off the train. Oh wait. Okay then. Finally, it's peace and quiet. Oh, whoops, my mouse is on there. We're finally into Uniterpol Studio. What? Okay, I can't even read that. Oh my god. Bob! I guess he's stuck up on a train too. Oh god, Bob. So annoying. Well, when those two aren't around. You're saying? Oh god. Oh.
Hey, did I win?
No.
Okay, it's the real SMG4. Let's take me on your adventure, please, please, please,
Oh
please,
my
please.
god. Just say yes.
I can fly.
Mamma mia!
Maybe he's going to, whatever studios that you just said. I don't know how to pronounce that. Did I just see Scrooge McDuck? Wait, what? There. Toad. It's probably not him. He's probably in the shower, or it's Toadette. Wow, he didn't have himself to help the poor man. He's not a dog. Or did I just read that wrong? There he is. It's Toad. Can now Toad is still in his hat. Oh my god. Jesus, don't hurt the man. Oh my god. Wow. We're not trying to kill each other and all together. Yeah. You almost die every time. No. Yeah, it's the opposite. He hates your guts. Oh god, what happened? Bob. Oh my god, oh my god. Dude, he totally got the guy. Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm the new conductor, bitches, LOL.
Yeah, that can be a range. He can actually kill you with those things he has.
This isn't even my final form, bitches.
He's gonna kill you. You're all killed. You're all dead.
That was a load of shit.
Oh, so he doesn't care.
Bullshit on lever low.
That's it, Bob. You've gone too far.
Gone too far. Bitch, I'm the best conductor ever. How dare you? Oh crap.
Oh god. Oh, get off the train. Oh, there goes a real conductor.
You bitches, later I'm out of here.
Bob, I think you actually killed someone. Why are they so murderous all of a sudden? Yeah, what the heck are you gonna do to Bob? Oh, okay. That's not how to operate it. Oh my god. Oh. He put Mario made him go overboard. Stupid. Crappy rag. Man, it's got a good arm on him. Oh my god. Oh, wow. Did I literally just get an Adam move an SMG4 reaction? Wow. Okay. Okay, well that was very quick. That was a quick one. Yeah, but stop the train. He doesn't know how to. Is there like some sort of like manual or something? Like how to stop the train, like emergency wise or something? Nope. Like imagine all the people you just killed back there in that train, man. It's calling for help. It's probably not. Oh my god. Get off the phone. Wow, are they actually in the middle of a fight? Oh my god, guys, top 10 anime battles here.
Well, that's what I said to your mom last night.
Oh my. Is he gonna come back? Oh my god, he's coming back! Bob! Oh my god, Bob just won't stop. He's like savage. He's an animal. He's on the train. Okay, that's it. Everyone on the train is just doomed at this point. There's no hope. Oh. Snap. Oh, Toad. Snap. No. Get back up, button.
I just wanted to be your friend.
Hey, yeah, what the heck's wrong from this episode?
I'm not crazy. I'm just lonely.
Yeah, we always did that. We knew you're always lonely. It makes my girlfriend look safe.
Just a second. Alright.
Oh wow, they're so tired from fighting. There's no buttons that needs to be pressed. You dumb. Yeah. Passengers. Slight problem with the train when it's no cause for a lot. Bob is gone, so everything should be okay. No, no, everyone's dead. You guys are doomed on the train. You guys are useless. Hey, calm down, I can help. I'm an engineer, there's only one possible way to stop an uncontrolled train. I'm gonna need to jam the wheels with something sturdy. With Mario. No. Oh my god! There's so much death and destruction in this one episode. Okay, so, okay. Cousin. Who's your cousin? Oh, okay. Doesn't look like SMG4 really likes it. Oh, okay, maybe he is. Yuna, how do you pronounce that? Yuna Turtle something, I don't know, Sturdios? What? Oh.
God damn my ass. Those darn guys. One day they'll let me be part of their squad, fam. Then they'll let me have adventures with them. I'm gonna make all the friends. Oh yeah, bitches.
Oh my god.
Wait a minute. Shit, how the hell do I get home?
Find another train and do not hijack it that time. That's how you get home, Bob. Jesus. Oh my god. Actually, let me close this real fast. Oh my god, that episode was like total chaos and destruction every second. Jesus, oh my god. Oh my god. I won't say imagine, but like imagine just like all the people who were like in that big train alone, and how every second it was getting cut off, and their part gets cut off. So much. It's just that there's so much death, or not, maybe not death, but like just chaos in general. Maybe in my opinion, it's probably the most chaotic episode that's actually happened. In my opinion, it's probably way more chaos that's happened in like previous episodes or something. I don't know. I find that one to be the most chaotic, just because of like how mentally unsound Bob seemed in this one episode. However, he did say he was more lonely than just insane. However, he literally hijacked a train and tied up the actual conductor, and then Mario just a dumb brick and just got the other conductor and just like put him off the side of the train. Like, you lost two of your hopes for conducting the train, and then you have Bob over there who is for some reason gone. Let's just say insane. Like, wow. It's just like the most chaos that I've seen in an SMG4 episode. Especially when Mario just like put that one guy under the wheel. Oh my god. They have like, some of the characters have like no soul in this. Bob and Mario have like no soul. At least SMG4 and Toad have some sort of compassion. But no. However, it was pretty hilarious. Oh my god, this episode was hilarious. It was supposed to be non-stop chaos. Anyways, that was the most I've ever gone of any SMG4 episode. Wow, oh my god. I have no words. Except for hilarious and unpredictable. Wow. Okay, anyways, let's just put all this madness aside. I can move that off. Oh my god. Anyways, if you guys like my reaction to this SMG4 episode, you guys can like this video and subscribe to the Dragon Army. Anyways, I'm gonna go get back to my little vacation I have, because I have, well, school in like 2 days, and I'm recording this on Saturday, so by the time I probably upload this, it's probably gonna be Monday or Sunday. So anyways, if you guys like my reaction, let me get this camera. If you guys like my reaction to the video, if you guys like my reaction to the video, you guys can like this video, subscribe to Dragon Army, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.